The HTC U11 was one of the most underrated smartphones of 2017. The U12 Plus has just been announced, and it's a great iteration of a wonderful smartphone series. We're in love with a lot of things about the U12 Plus. The Snapdragon 845 processor with 6GB of RAM and microSD card slot for expandable storage. The 6-inch Quad HD display looks sharp. And it's got 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. It even comes with a DXO Mark score of 103. We don't really believe in the rating, but it gives us an idea that this phone is shooting to be best in class. Edgesense has been upgraded to Edgesense 2, and it has a feature we love. Double tap launches a ton of different features. The haptic feedback in the buttons is very well tuned, so you don't actually press them, you just feel them, and they feel very futuristic. The rear camera has a 12 megapixel wide angle and a 16 megapixel telephoto. The main camera has OIS, and we have an ultra speed autofocus too. It's a combination of phase detection and laser autofocus. The tap to zoom feature in the video mode is sleek, and the implementation works really well. The U12 Plus only has a 2x optical zoom, so you can see where the digital zoom kicks in quality-wise. As always, HTC has not disappointed in terms of audio. For video recording, we've got 360 audio with 4 high-quality microphones on board. Below the camera, you have the flash, the fingerprint sensor, and the box to the right is also a part of the fingerprint sensor. There's a small strip just above the logo that's actually the NFC reader, and the patterned area covers up the battery. And yes, that means there is still no wireless charging, but we do have a 3,500 mAh battery that comes with quick charge. HTC says adding in 4 different cameras and focusing on quick charge should be enough to make up for the lack of wireless charging. While we're focusing on things that we're not super fond of, we think the bezels are still a little bit large. Even if they brought down the side bezels, the front still feels a bit dated. The U12 Plus has the makings of a great smartphone. HTC has opted for innovation in terms of gestures, camera quality, and audio. The U11 didn't get the praise it deserved, and we're hoping that the stellar camera performance will be the hook the U12 Plus needs to really go mainstream. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you should do that right now so you don't miss out on my U12 Plus review. I'm your host Nicole Scott for Mobile Geeks.